In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a supplemental feed in Google Merchant Center. A supplemental feed is perfect for enriching your existing product data without changing your primary feed. Think of it as an add-on layer where you can update titles, descriptions, custom labels, or sale prices for products that already exist in your main feed. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Merchant Center. Click the official result that leads to the Merchant Center homepage. Once you're there, log in with the account that manages your product data. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're in the correct Merchant Center account before moving on. Head to Settings, then select Add-ons. Here, locate the Advanced Data Source Management card. This section unlocks tools you'll need to manage supplemental data cleanly and at scale. When prompted, give this configuration a clear, descriptive name so you or your teammates instantly recognize its purpose. Something like Standard Ground is fine if it ties to your workflow. Next, go back to Settings and choose Data Sources. Open the Supplemental Sources area, then select Add Supplemental Product Data. This is where you'll define how you want to supply the data. Choose your input method based on your workflow and technical comfort. Common options include Google Sheets for easy collaboration, scheduled fetch from a hosted file if you want automated updates, or direct file upload for manual control. Pick the method that best fits how frequently you'll update and who will maintain the data. Name the source clearly for internal identification. A name like Seasonal Sale Adjustments makes it obvious what the feed is for and helps keep your workspace organized. During setup, you must specify which primary feed or feeds this supplemental data should affect. This is essential because supplemental data only applies to products that already exist in the selected primary feed and share the same product IDs. Select the primary data source or sources, then choose the appropriate feed label and language to match the products you're targeting. Consistency here helps avoid conflicts and ensures your updates map correctly. When everything looks good, click Create Data Source. After it's created, open your new supplemental source and choose Fetch Now or Update to process the data immediately. This triggers Merchant Center to pull in your changes and apply them to matching products. A quick tip before you wrap up. Make sure the ID column in your supplemental feed matches the product IDs in your primary feed exactly. Only those matching IDs will be updated. If anything looks off, review the diagnostics section for helpful error messages and fix your file accordingly.